Hey, today we are going to see how to add a contact form to a contact us page in WordPress. Let's begin. Go to all pages and click contact us and click edit. So now you will have a contact us page without the contact form. Okay, let's build a contact form. Go to pepoform.ai. Uh, Go to login. If you are starting as if you don't have an account, click sign up over here. If you already have an account, go to continue with Google, log in with your account, click. You can either create form manually or you can create form using AI. I'm gonna I'm gonna use AI to create the contact form. Type contact form and click create. So I can now say I don't wanna have this. So I'm just gonna delete. Inquiry type, yes, I will have it. I wanna have it, but I wanna add general inquiry, sales support. I wanna add one more, maybe marketing inquiry. There's no placeholder. Yes, required field. Yes. Obviously it's already yes, so it's gonna be yes. Oh, sorry, it's already there. We are just gonna add an option here. Marketing. Read it. Oh, I deleted that. Inquiry type. All right, update. So click live preview. Wow, okay, this is the contact form I would like to use. So copy this link, and here in the contact form, click art block and type HTML, custom HTML, and just paste the link there. Oh, sorry, I don't wanna, uh, I wanna embed this form, so I have to click generate embed code, copy, and paste the link. So let's preview. Awesome. Okay, now our contact form is ready. Let me save this and launch. So sample at example.com. Phone is not a required field. Sample message, inquiry type, support, submit. Okay, let's take a look at our website again and see. Continue. Go back and click responses. Where is it? Contact us page. See, it's there. So if I wanna send any emails to them, like if I have like 100 contacts, I can select the name field, email field, and name field, and send emails. I can send the emails to all at once. I can also customize it if I can say like name, hi, name. So it will automatically replace the name, their name um, with this field. Like for example, it says sample, so it's gonna say hi sample, and you know I can I can fill up my XMTP details, and from email and subject I can send emails to all, and I can also take a look at the analytics for the last. Okay, I was the one who just tested. All right, so this is how you can add contact us page, contact form to your contact us page. Also, just one more thing, in case you wanna redirect to some other page after the contact, after submitting the form, you can just do so with this option. You can just redirect to your pricing page, or I don't know, to support page, or somewhere you can redirect after submitting the form. It's up to you. This is how you can add contact form to your contact us page. Or if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comment section. We'll be happy to help you out. Also, please subscribe. We are gonna now post videos like this every week. So please stay tuned for the updates. All right, bye.